Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, I should say, and welcome to this new video on Bonk. Wanted to do a bit of a video here because yesterday I talked about Bonk as well, and then what we talked about, or at least I believe so, is this level right here. All right, so between 2900 and 2950. And what I said is that, all right, well, we're at a strong support level, right? And Bonk doesn't really have momentum, but if we gain momentum and we can break above that level, then I think Bonk has potential. And earlier today, we actually managed to not only, well, we haven't really broken above that level yet. I mean, you can see on a 1 hour time frame, we're trying to. So that is, I mean, on the 1 hour time frame, we have broke out. And on the 4 hour time frame, we also broke above this level at 2900. But most importantly, there's actually quite a lot we need to talk about, all right? So let's get into it. So purely technically, at least short term, we are forming a bullish market structure. On the 12-hour time frame, you could say that we are still consolidating, maybe, even though this is a bullish chart. All right, this is not bearish, especially if on the 4 hour time frame we can solidify this breakout. I'm pretty bullish on Bonk, and there's multiple reasons for that. First of all, we're actually gaining momentum again, which we bottomed out a little bit. Like yesterday morning, we already saw a little bit. But then yesterday afternoon, we actually started to gain momentum again. Quite a few short positions being opened as well. But what we see right now is that Solana is performing very, very well, and it's pulling its ecosystem up. All right, so that's something we've seen before already. But Solana is quite strong, also against Bitcoin, also against the market. So what you can see is that it's pulling other coins up, such as Jito, Jupiter, Bonk, With, Wormhole, and Pyth. So the big question is will that continue? Because if that continues, if Solana continues to be strong, which greatly also relies on Bitcoin, and that therefore also greatly relies on the Nashville conference today. So it's all quite risky, to be fair. Still, it's very early. But if Solana pulls through, what we have is short positions trapped on Bonk. And that has potential. All right, because obviously what you want is you want to gain momentum, and Bonk is gaining some momentum in general. But if you can trap shorts, that can provide a lot of bullish momentum as well. And if we look at Bonk right here, I don't think we actually got liquidations yet. I mean, we got some short liquidations here, minor ones. So we did get some liquidations, but I still think that there are more liquidations up here. It's a little bit like these charts are not always correct. So what I expect is that Bonk will continue to be bullish. Short term, technically, it already is bullish. And then the main question is well, all right, can we either gain strong momentum for Bonk? So can we see momentum so that the open interest increases with a positive CVD? Because that's not necessarily the case right now. We have some positive CVD, but it's not massively positive, which is a problem. And then apart from that, can Solana continue to perform? I would say that at this point of time, I think it's most likely due to the technical structure and the momentum change that we will see something like this. And my main price target for now is a bit conservative. It's 3,250. I think this is most likely, but I do think that we need at least a stable or a relatively bullish Solana for that. And that's difficult to say for today. Today is going to be volatile. So what I would say is that I think Bonk is geared up to be a very strong performer here, but it depends too much on Solana for me to tell you this is going to happen. Keep an eye on Solana. I think this is most likely to happen. But if it turns around today, if Bitcoin starts to dump and Solana will follow that, I think, then Bonk will just fall back down into 2,650 and we'll just stay in this short-term consolidation. And those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.